Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing and review of Galaxy Projector Light for Bedroom. This is an immersive Galaxy projector that is USB powered. This Galaxy projector creates a mesmerizing ocean-like ambience by projecting waves of light onto walls and ceilings, transforming your bedroom into an infinite oceanic world. The soothing, guardian angel-like glow provides a serene and romantic atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. It has versatile lighting effects by featuring 16 colors and 30 brightness levels. This Sensor E-Light offers customizable lighting options. With a remote control, you can easily switch between dynamic effects like jumping, strobing, fading, and smooth transitions, catering to both vibrant and calming moods. The friendly design ensures convenience of use. It is different from other star projectors, as this night light has a unique 3D embossed lampshade, which can project realistic water splashes and raging waves on the wall and ceiling, creating a 360 degrees all-around ocean world. Soft wave light filling the whole room is like a mother of the ocean embracing you and your child, allowing the tired mind to gain peace all night long. It is a unique decorative gift. Lights for bedroom from premium acrylic. This projector combines modern technology with elegant design. It's an ideal decorative piece for homes and a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, bringing joy to kids, friends, and family. With its multifunctional use, this device is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or outdoor events. This projector doubles as a mood light and photo backdrop. Its stunning aurora-like effects and adjustable color temperatures create a captivating atmosphere for selfies, parties, or relaxation. This light projector is excellent. It has many shades of basic colors. You can increase and decrease the brightness and set it to run through the colors, or stick to your chosen color. I love how the waviness of the colored light reflects off the walls and ceiling. It looks like a water reflection, which is lovely. Hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.